More than 328,000 drowsy driving-related crashes occur in the United States every year.
Additionally, 50,000 injuries are associated with drowsy driving in the United States each year.
Beyond the human cost, there's also an economic cost. Fatigue-related crashes cost society an estimated $109 billion every year.
And the indirect cost of drowsy driving costs over $2.37 trillion each year. And we haven't even touched on the statistics of drowsy-related accidents in other industries.
Saddened by these statistics, we couldn't even fathom what the family members of individuals involved in drowsy-related accidents must have been going through. We wanted to come up with a solution to the problem that millions of people around the world face every year. Today, we'll be presenting on alerts technologies with the goal of preventing drowsy-related accidents one alert at a time. Our aim is to create a reliable and intuitive system for responsiveness, alertness, and fatigue detection to reduce drowsy-related accidents.
We developed a test for drowsiness that only requires the user to have a smartphone. Our app allows corporations to easily and accurately test their employees in order to make transportation safer. Our user-friendly mobile application allows drivers to easily and efficiently test themselves. Our mobile application uses a reaction time and video test to get users tested in under 30 seconds. Results are automatically sent to administrators who can then view and respond to the data appropriately.
The intermediate steps of our model were tested on a separate validation dataset, which collectively obtained an average accuracy of 94%. In order to train the perceptron, however, we will require a larger and more specific dataset to train on. Our app is capable of collecting the data needed to further train our model, and our initial release will work on collecting data from those who volunteer to do so. This data can be used to further improve our model, and updated versions of our framework will be released and propagated out through Firebase. The data that we collect will consist of the results of psychomotor vigilance tests, including reaction time, and also facial segmentations that are key to computer vision classifications of drowsiness. Additionally, our data will be made open source to provide a valuable resource to drowsiness detection researchers. And our user data is secured through Firebase. Their data is not tied to any individual, rather it is stored as results from our classification models. By doing this, we not only reduce the memory required to store data, keeping only key features rather than entire videos, but we also encrypt user data into something incomprehensible to external parties.
Alerts Technologies eliminates the use of hardware and indirect factors such as steering input that companies including Bosch Mobility Solutions use. Instead, we use an easy-to-use software and direct factors such as facial and eye movements. We raise the durability and accuracy of our test through establishing a baseline to compare every test to, which our competitors do not establish. Through these software implementations, Alerts Technologies have reduced the cost of the drowsy detection system to around $10 per user per year and a 30-second testing time. Alerts Technology sells directly to businesses, which allows us to enforce the results of the test across multiple transportation sectors, which companies like OptoAlert cannot do due to their consumer-based sales model. The strategy canvas shows how Alerts Technologies compares to our competitors in multiple aspects of our products. Although Alerts Technologies has low performance and technology reliance due to the heavy emphasis on software and mobile apps, we score higher in price, enforceability, accuracy, and installation time. This drawback of the heavy software reliance is heavily outweighed by the benefits which makes for Alerts Technologies' unique flexibility and versatility.
Drowsy detection services in cars and hardware solutions have become red oceans. For example, there are at least 15 car companies that have some form of drowsiness detection or rest recommendation in newer models of the vehicle. Additionally, hardware solutions have also become prevalent, as shown with products such as those developed by Bosch Mobility Solutions and OptoAlert. Alerts Technologies, on the other hand, is targeting a blue ocean, as we are tapping into a whole new market and are not targeting a specific industry.
This utility map shows a few items our company is still working on. To start, we want to develop or implement better forms of advertisement in order to reach our desired consumer base. Additionally, we want to work on our baseline test system. In order to get accurate test results, users need to take a baseline reaction time and video test every so often. However, the repetitiveness of these tests, though necessary, may become inconvenient, and so the baseline test may become neglected.
Alerts Technologies has the potential to quickly and easily positively impact the transportation industries plagued by drowsy transportation and save thousands of lives lost every year. We hope that Alerts Technologies can affect these changes through our accurate model and systematic business plan. Together, we can save lives one alert at a time. Thank you for watching.